Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nadia, your host of today. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I appreciate you guys for clicking on this video. If you want to see how I achieved this look, the hair and everything, how it came out together, and how to cut the crease easy way, you don't need to struggle anymore, please keep watching. So if you want to learn how to cut the crease, this video is definitely for you. So keep watching. And if you want to learn something that you can do for Valentine, something easy, simple and elegant, this video is also for you. So keep watching and I hope you guys enjoy this look. Thank you so much. So with my foundation, I'm gonna use the Morphe foundation. I'm gonna put the detail down below, so I don't want to use too much on my face. I usually use on the places that I really need it, so just to cover the discoloration.
I'm so scared to leave my house, so I cannot run free from this. Always being watched by you, and that's so inconsiderate. My privacy, does that exist? Probably haven't heard of it. Need to live a different life, cause lights and cameras are in it. Trying to find a silver lining. All I wanna do is avoid the violence. But you're here again, I'm losing it. There's no more screaming and silence. Get out my face, turn off the flash. I hate the fame, no more of that. Leave me alone, or I'll collapse. I need a break, don't feel the crack. You follow me, anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. There's more to me, everywhere I try to go alone, I find you there. Yeah, yeah. You follow me, anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. Oh, there's more to me, but anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. I find you there.
Shadow in here. So I'm still in the warrior number 2. I used the dark over here and then I went to the brown in there. Okay, so I'm going to blend that in there. Go back and do the black again. Don't lose it.
That's just a false truth, no need to argue. And yeah, I've had enough. You follow me, anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. There's more to me, everywhere I try to go.
And just cut in the middle again, okay? Where's my pillows? Get the pillows. Yeah. Get your brush and clean in there.
I'm so scared to leave my house, so I cannot run free from this. Always being watched by you, and that's so inconsiderate. My privacy, does that exist? Probably haven't heard of
Just like that. And I'm going to follow where we cut the crease, okay? So we can get this look like that, like clean look.
You don't like the lights, but it's camera time. Said take the picture, but you rolled your eyes. Now I'm mortified and still terrorized. Push me behind to get me from my better side. I wanna push you back, but that's all you want. Wanna rub me up, I'm holding back.
Okay, guys.
Get me framed for being cuffed. Said I attacked you, that's just a false truth. No need to argue, and yeah, I've had enough. You follow me anywhere I try to be. There's more to me. Everywhere I try to go alone, I find you there. You follow me.
So I think this is it for this look. I hope you guys have enjoyed this look. I hope you guys will take a time to watch it, like it, and try it by yourself if you want to learn one or two things. Thank you so much for coming back and watch this video. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I hope to see you guys in my next video coming up soon.